Hey, hello boys and girls. So this video I am making for the CMA fraternity and it needs a voice. And yesterday also while reading the notification, I had asked some hard questions which are absolutely genuine. I know that many of will not like those hard questions to be asked, but the truth has to prevail, truth has to come out. Undoubtedly, it was a system failure. This failure, this collapse of the system cannot be blamed on a particular person, one person, two person. It was a total system failure. In the notification, it was mentioned that due to unavoidable reasons, we are merging June 21 exams, which were supposed to be held in October, with the December 21 exams. Now, students deserve a better answer, better clarification regarding what those unavoidable reasons were. Yesterday, I also told that we are waiting for some clarification. What are those unavoidable reasons? You just cannot put a notification writing unavoidable reasons. If those reasons were unavoidable, what were those reasons? The gravity of those reasons must have been very big. So at least tell us what those reasons were. Tell the students what those reasons were. And again I am saying, if those reasons were related to online examination problem, then it should have been held for sure in the offline mode. We wholeheartedly supported the online examinations because it was in favor of the students. But something in favor, if it is not feasible, something might be in favor, but ho sakta it is not feasible. For example, shifting some people on Mars from Earth might be good for Earth, but is it feasible? No. So something favorable but not feasible should be immediately abandoned. If at all the problem was online glitches, I know, yes, absolutely, nobody is questioning your intention. The intention of the institute is very pure. We are questioning about the action, or rather inaction, lack of intent, should I call it, from the examination committee. So unavoidable reasons, we want to know what the unavoidable reasons were. Again, I am repeatedly saying, if it was related to online portal glitch, it should have been held offline, undoubtedly. Yes, online exams are favorable, but is it feasible? If it was not, it should have been held offline. And online examination also favorable only if those problems which the students were solving, that so much of typing cannot be there and the formulas vagara, how to write those, only if those solved, then only it would have become favorable. But if not feasible, it should have been done away with. So please tell us what the unavoidable reasons were. Students of CMA Institute want to know what the unavoidable reasons were. And everybody accept that yes, since last 9-10 months, institute had plenty of time, ample amount of time. So it was a system failure that the examination could not be conducted. What actions have been taken or will be taken to strengthen the system? Tell us that also. कि अब यहाँ से, what is the guarantee that the next term will not be postponed or the next term will not be merged? I know it will not be, but still, what measures have been taken to strengthen the examination department? Tell us that. I am saying these clarifications are required. December 21 examination, again, December 21 examination, if institute is planning online, why it has not released a mock test till now? Again, the same things will happen. Again, the same pressurization will happen. So, will again the institute be considering to shift the examination? Answer is no. So these are some hard questions which CMA Institute should answer, that what were the unavoidable reasons. You just cannot postpone or cancel an exam by saying unavoidable reason. What were those unavoidable reasons? Was there any deadlock in the management? Was there any online glitch? Were the centers not available for online examination? If there was no online portal glitch, were the centers not available for the online examination? The blame cannot be passed on to the students that students demanded the cancellation. I know many of the students, they did not demand it. And in fact, those who demanded should have been given the opt-out option. Those who wanted to write the paper, they should have been allowed the opportunity to write the paper and save their 6 months. And those students who had already opted out, just imagine for them. So they have been sitting since last 1.5 years without giving the examination. And if some students demanded the cancellation of this term examination, they should have been given an opt-out facility. As simple as that. So please tell us what the unavoidable reasons were, what actions have been taken to make sure that it is not repeated in future. And if any online issue was there, why offline was not conducted? What actions have been taken on the examination committee for such a big failure? So please tell us that. Thank you.